this homework, it's so hard.
I know.
Hey guys, what's up?
We were just talking about this homework, it's so hard.
I can't believe teachers want us to do this.
I know.
I don't get anything about telescopes. What are they? What do they do? Who invented them? Blah.
I know a little bit about telescopes, but one thing, I don't know who invented them. Oh, I think I might.
Telescopes, everyone knows about it.
Listen to Seth. Come on.
Glad you want me to, Anthony. Telescopes are devices that are able to gather and focus visible light to see further. Telescopes help you study space. An example of a telescope is the Hubble Space Telescope. The Hubble Space Telescope has taken pictures of Jupiter, our largest planet.
Go on. Cool.
Yeah, I knew most of that stuff. You go on.
I thought you might, Ryan. Let me go on. And don't interrupt again. Another telescope is the refractor telescope, the one Galileo used. Telescopes are made by putting two mirrors around the foot apart, and put it in a metal tube. Then telescope makers dazzle it up so it will sound.
Dazzle it up?
Yes, dazzle it up.
Stop interrupting.
Yeah, let me tell you more about what I learned. What?
I'm out of here. This is so boring.
Well, do you know? Can I tell you?
Yeah, go on. Hi.
Hey, Rishi. Have you heard this fact? Telescopes have discovered many stars like Betelgeuse and Polaris, also known as the North Star.
Isn't the North Star always pointing north?
Yes, Anthony. Oh, and while I'm speaking to you, a question I thought you might know popped into my mind. Can I ask you it?
Yeah.
Why are stars different colors?
Stars have different temperatures and brightnesses, so they have different colors.
Okay, what are different colors of stars, and what do the star colors tell?
Stars can be white, red, yellow, blue, brown, and other different mixtures. Blue is the hottest and brightest, while red is the coolest.
Really?
Yeah. Well, let me go on. Some stars are Betelgeuse, Rigel, Sirius A, Sirius B, let me think. Vega, and nothing else. That's all I can think of.
Wait, I gotta get something to write this down.
Want me to repeat that? Okay, does that answer your question?
Yes. Thanks.
I gotta go to a doctor's appointment. Guys, I guess I'm back. I couldn't miss this intermission. I got stuck.
I need to go up to science class.
Hey, wait, Rishi, do you know anything about, like, science jobs or something like that? I'm stuck on this question.
Yeah, I know.
Cool.
Lots of jobs are available to people like astronomy. These jobs include astronauts, aerospace technicians. Astronauts are the best known people in the space industry because they perform the planned action physically. Astronauts roll out the planes, while technicians are the workers behind the scenes.
Wow. That answers my question. Thanks. What did Anthony say about that? Star colors or something?
I'm back from the doctors. Huh? So you know what a constellation is, right? Can
Pretty
figure
sure
it
it's
out.
in my notes. Ah, here it is. Constellations are a group of stars visible within a particular region of the night sky. The Big Dipper, Manx the cat, Hercules, Leo the lion, Cygnus the swan, Cassiopeia the queen, I think, are all constellations. There are many stories about constellations. One is about Cygnus, where Helios' mortal son, Phaethon, I think it's kind of hard to pronounce, drove Helios' chariot and burned part of Earth, so Zeus blasted him out of the sky and fell into the river. And Cygnus dived into the river to save him. Apollo took pity on him and turned him into a swan and kept him in heaven.
Cool. Do you have any other stories?
I think so. Oh, here's one. Cassiopeia did not want her daughter to marry Zeus. Zeus used the head of Medusa on her, including Cassiopeia. Neptune placed her in the sky, but to humiliate her at times, she'd be upside down. Pretty cool.
Wait, what time is it? Oh, I gotta go to math.
Just sticking around.
Hey, Ryan,
Yeah?
I got through this weird homework and what really is star size? What does it mean?
Well, stars might look like they're the same size, but they're not. Because some are closer and some are farther away from them. The Sun, Sirius B, and Proxima Centauri are all stars in our sky. Some stars might look like they're the same, but they're not. That's because stars can be bigger or brighter, smaller or farther or closer to Earth.
That's really
I have to go use the bathroom.
I gotta go to social studies. I'll see you later, Rishi.
Now go.
Hi, Rishi.
Hi. Hey, know anything about comets?
Yeah. Pretty good question, but you know, a comet's a small part of the solar system, right? And you know, it's a big, it's made of rock. You know what holds together
Hey, guys.
that rock? No, frozen gases.
Hi.
Hi. Also, you know why comets have tails? The tail is formed by the glowing gases in the comet, and sometimes there's a curved tail, which is made by dust. And then short period comets last less than 200 years, while long period comets last for more than 200 years. Wow. Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that answers his question. Thanks.
Yeah, I'm done with all my homework. So
I'm late for lunch.
I'm done with all my homework, Rishi.
Oh no, I'm not going to miss recess.
I've got time to say.